Right now, while you're reading this, there's a war happening inside your body. You can't hear it, you can't see it. Most of the time, you don't even feel it. But every second of every day, millions of tiny battles are taking place to keep you alive. Your body is constantly hunting down harmful invaders, destroying infected cells, repairing damage, and stopping dangerous diseases before they ever have a chance to spread. If this invisible army suddenly disappeared, even for a few days, your body would be overwhelmed. So who are these tiny soldiers? What are they fighting? And how does your body know the difference between a friend and an enemy? To understand that, we first need to look at something surprising. Most people imagine the human body as being clean on the inside, but that's not really true. Your skin is covered with microscopic organisms. Your mouth contains hundreds of different kinds of bacteria, and your digestive system is home to trillions more. At first, that sounds disturbing, but most of these tiny organisms are actually helping you. They break down food, produce important nutrients, and even stop harmful bacteria from taking over. They're more like helpful neighbors than dangerous enemies. The real trouble begins when something harmful enters your body. Imagine you breathe in a virus from someone who sneezed nearby. The virus is incredibly small, so tiny that thousands could fit on the tip of a pin. Once it enters your nose or throat, it doesn't simply grow on its own. Instead, it sneaks into one of your healthy cells and takes control. It's like a hacker breaking into a computer and forcing it to create copies of malicious software. That single infected cell starts producing more viruses. Those new viruses spread to nearby cells, which begin producing even more. Before long, what started as just a few virus particles has turned into millions. If nothing stopped them, the infection would quickly spread throughout your body. Fortunately, your body has been preparing for this moment since the day you were born. Your immune system is constantly on patrol. White blood cells travel through your bloodstream, checking everything they encounter. They're always searching for anything that doesn't belong. The moment they detect a dangerous invader, they send out chemical signals that act like an emergency alarm. Within minutes, more immune cells rush to the infected area. Some of these cells surround bacteria and swallow them whole. Others destroy infected cells before viruses can spread any further. Different types of immune cells work together like a trained military unit, each with its own role and responsibility. As the battle grows, your body may raise its temperature, causing a fever. Although most people think a fever is simply part of being sick, it's actually one of your body's defense strategies. Many viruses and bacteria struggle to survive at higher temperatures, so by making your body warmer, your immune system creates a tougher environment for the invaders. That extra heat isn't pleasant, but it's often part of the fight. The battle inside your body isn't perfectly controlled, though. Just like in any war, innocent bystanders can get caught in the middle. Healthy cells may be damaged during the fight, and the chemicals released by your immune system can cause swelling, soreness, and pain. That scratchy throat, blocked nose, or swollen glands you experience during an illness aren't always caused directly by the virus. In many cases, they're actually signs that your immune system is hard at work. The discomfort you feel is often evidence that your body's defenses are doing exactly what they're supposed to do. But viruses and bacteria aren't the only enemies your immune system has to deal with. Every day, some of your own cells develop mistakes while dividing. Most of these errors are harmless, but occasionally a cell begins behaving abnormally. If left unchecked, it could eventually grow into cancer. Fortunately, your immune system is constantly searching for these damaged cells as well. Specialized immune cells inspect your body's tissues, looking for anything unusual. When they find a suspicious cell, they destroy it before it has the chance to multiply. This happens silently throughout your life, usually without you ever realizing it. It's one of the reasons many potentially dangerous cells never become a serious problem. Perhaps the most impressive feature of your immune system is its ability to remember. After defeating many viruses and bacteria, your immune system keeps a record of what they look like. If the same invader enters your body again months or even years later, your immune cells recognize it almost immediately. Instead of starting the battle from scratch, they respond much faster, often destroying the infection before you even notice you've been exposed. It's like recognizing a criminal the moment they walk through the door instead of having to search for them all over again. This remarkable memory is one of the reasons your body becomes better at fighting certain infections over time. As you go about your day, this invisible war never stops. Millions of immune cells continue traveling through your body, searching for viruses, bacteria, damaged cells, and anything else that threatens your health. They're constantly repairing, protecting, and defending you without asking for attention or recognition. You'll probably never see them, and most of the time you'll never even notice they're there. But every healthy day you experience is possible because this invisible army never takes a break. Right now, as you've reached the end of this video, those tiny defenders are still moving through your body, fighting battles you'll never know about. And thanks to them, you're still here.